Hi friends, welcome to my second episode video on my aquarium. This is a 3-liter aquarium which is sufficient to 5 to 6 fishes, and in this aquarium we have wild tetra, green tetra, rosy barb and one snail also. 5 to 6 fishes are there. We feed them twice a day, 1 to 2 granules per fish. One cylindrical aquarium is there in which we have platyfish, red cap oranda and blackmore fish. This aquarium has got oxygen unit also. Platyfish is a small in size, red cap oranda has a red cap on the head, and blackmore fish, it's a very sturdy fish and considered to be very lucky. One should keep this fish in the house. I have 5 to 6 pieces of beautiful betta fish. Betta fish are considered to be very sturdy in the nature. They looks very beautiful. They have got different types of fins in around their body. The name Betta come from an ancient clan of warriors that were called as Betta. There are about 60 to 70 varieties of betta fish. In India, we can get both Indian bettas as well as imported bettas. Fish absorb oxygen through the gills from the water. When water enters its mouth, it passes through the gills, and it is the gills which absorb the oxygen for the fish. That is the normal course of oxygenation. But in case of betta fish, there is one organ called labyrinth on top of its mouth which absorb the oxygen from the air also. That's why this betta fish can survive in water where there is low level of oxygen, because it can absorb oxygen from the water as well as from the air also. Because of the presence of labyrinth in betta fish, they can survive for a long time in a low level oxygen in water also. Betta fish has a pectoral fin, dorsal fin, caudal fin, then anal fin, then ventricle fin. These all fins cover the body of the betta fish and make it a very beautiful piece. Betta fish available in many shades and colors. It is available in greenish yellow shade, then reddish bluish shade, and also in dark bluish shades. Betta fish have unique character to make or produce a bubble cage in its captivity. They make bubbles by gulping air at surface and then blowing saliva bubbles. It's a good sign that betta fish make bubble nets. It's a sign that betta fish regards its territory. Betta nets are also part of reproductive process made by the male bettas. Goldfish is one of the popular ornamental aquarium fish. It's a very old fish. I bought it for about 30 rupees pair. It is very easy to maintain this fish, but the only condition is that the water should be clean and neat every time and hygienic. This is a dwarf silver gourami fish. It looks very beautiful. It's silver in color and very cheap and easy to maintain in aquariums. So friends, thanks for watching my video. Like it and share it. Wait for my next video.